All right, so we had a little problem with our original distillation. What happened is you can't see it right now, but there is a clamp that's holding that round bottom flask over the Bunsen burner. And what happened is apparently it's lined with cork. And so I left to walk the dogs for about 10 minutes. And while it was gone, I guess the cork, I guess, it's just a thin layer of cork that I didn't even see in that clamp caused and I do have some metal wire holding everything together, thank God. So what happened is that metal cork started to basically, it didn't catch fire, but it was smoking, and I guess it just got brittle. It dropped right on top of the Bunsen burner thing, put it out. And also, for whatever reason, I took didn't like using the sulfuric acid as a sealant, so I'm using Teflon tape, which worked fine. Got some supposedly some high temperature grease that you can use. I don't even know what this crap is, but it did. So what happened is, once it got up to where it was really starting to distill out, and I was getting a bunch of distillation, and I was over my seat, but I wasn't watching it the whole time, and I guess it was breaking that grease down, and all of my let's see if I have it. All of my distillate came out like this. I mean, it's concentrated. It's probably 98%, but it's full of impurities, just like what you see in that. So as I was taking it apart to try to clean everything off, what happened? Broken, dropped it myself. Total bonehead move on my part. So anyway, so we're set up again. Forget the high temperature grease, doesn't work, creates problems. So I put Teflon back on everything. I mean, I do have a plastic clip. Hopefully it won't get that hot there. But I've got wires connecting. I got tin foil wrapped around much better. And these were so expensive, so I went with a 500 milliliter round bottom. And this is actually this is the new one that I bought. This is actually a flat bottom receiving flask. So I can also use it on my hot plate. But I just started the process, and it is up to, let's see, it's up to about 160 degrees or so. So I'll check back in, so hopefully this will go back. Now, before it broke, before everything happened, I did get, that is 98%. The high score, I think it is. I haven't weighed it or done anything, but it is. I put it on a paper towel, and it wiped it out quickly, well, too quickly. But anyway, so we're starting the process again. I've got the filtration going, and decided that until it's almost closed, but until it starts precipitating out or condensing out, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna run the fume hood, pseudo fume hood that I have going on with my shop vac chute now. But anyway, check back in a little bit.